Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. What we're going to do today is I'm introducing the new video that I made. This was made last week. This is, well, the beginning of this week. Today is Sunday, June 29th, 2025. And this has to do with going to a different area of the park at the Palm Desert Civic Center Park in Palm Desert, Coachella Valley, California. And it's a pretty big park. So I've been dividing it up so it's not a 30, 40, or 50-minute video. This is I believe, only the second one in this series that we're going to do right now. The one that I did shows a small part of the park right by where the main parking lot area is. And that this park is also the city hall, so there's a lot of other things here. And they have the aquatic center, and they have 4 softball fields. I don't think it's hardball, but I think it's softball fields on here, which we might cover also. I did this a couple of years ago, so that really hasn't changed that much. So maybe I'll just put a link to refer to that video instead. But right now, for this video that I'm introducing today is for the one that I did at the beginning of the week. We did a couple of slow motion videos, one of people walking and one of the water fountains in slow motion, the water geysers, and some of the water displays. So we covered that one. So this one has to do with the walking part. And we're going to probably try to get to downtown next week. It's coming up to, this is, as you know, Friday would be the 4th of July. But this is our low season here where we're at, so there's not that much traffic out there, not that many people. So should be able to get out there and do something. We did the outdoor exposition there on the main road a couple of weeks ago. I put that up, so you might want to take a look at that to see what's going on. So go ahead and enjoy this video. So I have more coming, hopefully starting next week. Kind of find things to go do. There is a nice zoo that they have around here, the Palm Desert Zoo. But with it being 105 degrees out during the day, the animals don't come out, which I don't blame them, obviously. They stay inside. So we might have to wait till October, November to go to the zoo to record that for us. That's going to be very interesting, I would think. So look for that video. That'll be coming up in a couple of months. That, and we're trying to get to the beach. I think I told you in one of the videos that I live about 3.5 hour drive from the beach. So it's kind of a hassle getting over there on the freeways here in Southern California. But I want to go to Venice Beach and Santa Monica. And what I really want to do is do some slow motion from the pier on the water there. So we got to see if we can get there. This is the end of June, and what they have around here they call June gloom out at the beach. The sun doesn't come out until like 1 in the afternoon. But of course, if I live 3.5 miles and I leave at 9 in the morning, I wouldn't get there till noon anyway. So July and August coming up. We're going to try to get out there the end of July, first part of August, and see what kind of videos we can make from there. So be on the lookout for those. That's just some of the future things we're going to have here for the channel coming up. So if you have any questions or anything, put them in the comments below, address them to me. Let me know if there's other places here in Coachella Valley you want me to go to. So we're trying to figure out what we can do in the next couple of months. So just let me know. So that's all for today, for Sunday, June 29th, 2025. Thank you. All right. Good morning, YouTube. We are back at our park again, and we're just going to walk around and see different things. Today is Wednesday, June 22nd. I'll put the right date in. Let's go look at this over here. Go look at this display here. Looks kind of interesting, doesn't it? This is at Palm Desert Civic Center Park, where we go to quite a bit, actually. So trying to get some things I don't think we've gotten before. Let's go see what these are. Operation Desert Storm, others who served. Oh, here's the Vietnam people. Up here. There's nothing on this guy. Oh, it's on the bottom there. Okay. You can read this here. This is from Colin Powell, 1992. There's another Korean one. There's only one person on here. This whole thing is for one person. That's kind of weird. There's another one. This is World War II people here. Okay, let's walk down here to the corner. And they have a EV charging station over there for people. And we'll also walk over there. And this is, I don't know what road this is. San Pablo Avenue is this road out here. We were on this one before. So we'll walk up here. And we've been over here before. There's some shrubbery. We'll go around the cars and we'll look at this over here. Okay, let's go over here. I see some cars here being charged. got a charging port here. And this is where we are, you can see. But we're going to go up this other way. Cross back over where we came. Okay, I didn't know that there was another sidewalk over here. Alright, we're going to walk over this way. Morning. And we'll come up over here. We'll look at all the, go around this way. Looking at all the shrubbery. That they have here. Employee entrance only. And we'll take this out to the front where the waterfall is at. Well, it's not a waterfall, it's a water fountain. And we'll get some slow motion of that probably. Or try to anyway. So we'll doubling back where we were. And you can see here's the water display. And we'll see if we can get this in slow motion later. Here's some of our ducks. Tells you here a few things. And then information, and this over here. See what's going on. And on this side. This one under key park facilities is washed out, so I don't know if it'll show on the camera. But here is Fun Visit Civic Center Park. Kind of tells you what's going on. And I'll just point. As well, like it says, we are here. We're right there. So you can see the park's pretty big. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stop it here.